Good morning, everyone. Happy, I don't even know what, Thursday. I have been feeling very under the weather the last few days, and so just haven't done a whole lot. Kids get out half day today and tomorrow, and then they're home for the rest of the school year, or the rest of the year. So things will get a little hectic for me. Something I wanted to say, but I can't remember what. I was actually talking with a student this morning, and we'll go to this really quick. I was doing a review of a homework for a student, talking about the bigger picture versus the smaller picture. So talking a little bit about what may look like a big move on one chart may just be something very minuscule on the bigger charts. And so what I'm looking at here, we're starting, the market doesn't open for 13 minutes. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily chart. Oh, that's not it. Actually, don't need that chart anymore. Oh, okay. Wow, y'all. This is kind of significant. Man. The last spot that we had a decent pullback. There's a couple here, and here. I wouldn't call those real decent pullbacks. The last big one is way the heck down here. We'll put a couple of lines on here just so we can keep them in check. Oops, I need to stay in drawing mode. This one, that would be the next one. Okay, so it did take us to that area right there. The next one is way down here. So what I'm looking at, and I'm going to spread this back out so those lines don't make us too crazy. The pull down, the pull back up into the area. We've pulled down, we pulled back up into the area. So we had a little bit of sideways action right in here. It pulled back up, couldn't make it back up here. MACDs were weak coming up, and then broke through that bottom Bollinger Band. Any potential for divergence is pretty much gone out the window now. It could pop back up here, but not expecting it to be with a lot of strength enough to even cross back up in here. So what we may see is it pull back up to an area, which it did here, that it struggled to break through and continue down as these EMAs work to catch up. Let's look at the 10-946. It's just been kind of ugly the last few days. In the long run, obviously, we have a downtrend. Right now, we're back above the zero line, and we can see when we get back above the zero line, sometimes it can work out, sometimes it doesn't. I like the fact that we came off of a pretty big divergence here, but it isn't a strong EMAs to the downside, so we can easily cross below this bottom, cross below the zero line. Let's look at our signs here on our next tick charts. You do have the BBs opening up to the downside. This pullback was actually a nice little pullback for the short, but we can see reversal bars as we're hanging out here, not breaking through divergence to at least give us a pullback and maybe continue with a push down. Don't know if I'm just being strong-willed looking for it. Below the zero line, below the zero line. Still trying to push up, and I'm trying to make this go down. Okay, here it is. Coming up still. Oh man, you see how fast that moved? can grab it here. There we go. Just pulling back a little deeper. Oh, look here. Alright, it gave me signals of an exit and I didn't take them. This is craziness. Still believe this is going down. Let's give this another shot. Let's see if it pops up a little bit more. Oh, well, it's gonna keep going. Alright, so just a little early for the first entry, and really, there was no, it gave great signals for the entry, and it gave me great signals for the exit. I just didn't listen to them. Now it's giving even better signal for the exit for where I just took it a moment ago, right back into that support area that I believe it's going to break through. Let's look at the signals. Opening up EMAs, opening up EMAs. Just may pull back and then break through. It hasn't broken through this bottom Bollinger Band. That's the only issue right there. Let's watch it break through. But it's a good way to start the day, huh? Wow. Still pushing up. So all in all, my mindset is set completely on the shorts. It has given some longs. It's actually giving a really good long right now. If you're looking at my 10-946 over the side with these reversal bars, I'm pushing back up, back into that resistance area of the EMA that's held several times. I think I'm good. A couple $100 in 15 minutes. I'll take it. So what I'm going to do is prep myself for the things I'm going to do today. I've got some things I can take care of. Some students I need to get caught up with because of feeling under the weather. So I'll be with you guys soon. And I look forward to catching y'all on the profitable side, guys. I'm looking forward to seeing y'all over there. There's so many traders that get stuck in the mindset that this isn't possible for them, and it absolutely is. So just changing what you see, it's like a weight loss program, or anything that you want to accomplish and do better in. You have to go through and find what works best for you, and then study the hell out of it, okay, and get to know it and always grow and evolve with it, because you can become stagnant if you don't do that. But I hope everybody has a fabulous Thursday. I don't know that I'll be around tomorrow. We shall see. Like I said, early release is in effect for the next 2 days, and then school is out. So have a great day, everybody, and catch you on the profitable side.